In today's video, let me teach you on how to contact Binance customer support. First, open the Binance app on your device, then log into your account. Once you're in the main dashboard of Binance, then tap the headphone icon on the upper right part of the screen, which it will look like this one. Now you'll be redirected to Binance Virtual Assistant window. You'll see here different options or support that you can use to solve your issue. But if you prefer to contact their customer support, then simply scroll down to the bottom and tap Get Support option. Next, simply enter your question on the text box, or you can click the plus sign icon for more services. Once you're done sending your questions or issue, then simply wait for a while and the Binance will provide you with their agent, which it will help you regarding the issue that you have. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.